Last episode, we skipped one section of the help menu on purpose. Today, we take it, the built-in debugger. No print statements, no guessing. We're going to stop a running program mid-thought and look around inside it. Arm it first. Break factorial. Breakpoints confirms, slot 0, 16 available. Now just use the function. And there it is. The moment factorial gets called, time stops, and the prompt changes. The debug prompt is a tiny language of its own, and help lays it out. Step, next, finish, continue, locals, backtrace, up and down for climbing the stack. Every one with a one-letter alias. Locals, n is 5, the argument exactly as it landed. Backtrace, the call stack, with the arrow marking where you stand. Continue means run to the next stop, and in a recursive function, the next stop is the next call. Watch n. 5, 4, 3. 2 more calls, nothing left to hit, and the answer arrives, 120. Clean the breakpoint up before we move on. Now the good one. Sum2 adds 1 through n with a named let loop, episode 6's pattern, season 1. Break on it, run it, and instead of stepping, tell the debugger, watch ACC. Continue, and it catches the accumulator changing. 0, again, 1. I climbs, ACC follows. 1 pause per change, with the value printed each time. And look at that frame name, nlet loop, the named let wearing its hygiene name from last episode. Unwatch, continue. One more trick. You don't need a breakpoint at all. Step takes any expression and starts it frozen. Step, step, and the answer falls out. So that's the debugger. Breakpoints by name, a stack you can climb, a watcher that catches values in the act, stepping with or without a breakpoint, and help built into the prompt itself. Next episode, we go under the hood, AST, the IR, and the bytecode. The whole pipeline, one tiny program at a time. See you there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.